All right. Told you now. Yeah, the thing closed, just the light's not off. I'm finna say I'm surprised you ain't going down backwards. Got it, Grover. Go ahead and get across the street. Got it. The driver bus Mercedes 5. It's a booty for me. Y'all. Alright. This for the back. The heater thing back there. Let me turn these off. But this for the back. Got medium, low, whatever one you want to call. High. Got your driver dome. Got your driver dome. You got your normal dome lights. It's cancel switch. It's our cancel switch. On the 2016s, we have it to where, let's see. On the 2016s, we have it to where this are amber. You know, of course, that's the amber switch. And you know, we have 3-position door switch. Okay. And then cancel all that. Then this button also hits that. Got your strobe. I don't know why this man watching me. Got your heater. These your fans. Just the one she had on though. These your lights and these your pocket lights. Oh, I love it. I love to see it. What else? I think that's it. Light test button. This don't work. Whatever you call this, I forgot. This little switch in your air drain. We rarely do that though. Yeah, everything else. Somebody told me this was Bluetooth. I rebuke it in the name of Jesus because they lied. Yeah. That's it. Grandma only got 66,080 miles. She's got a half a tank, so we got to go fill up. Y'all don't. This little engine light, I think that thing gonna stay on forever. Huh. It's not bad, day. Go away.